Well, the sun's out and temperatures not too bad now, but well, we're going to be looking at temperatures sliding for the rest of the day today, and by tomorrow we're only looking at highs in the 30s for both Saturday and Sunday. So get out and enjoy it while you can. 49 now. Yeah, partly cloudy skies out there. The winds are out of the west, 15 miles an hour. The barometer 29, 67 of an inch, and the dew point at 33 degrees. We said this morning when we saw the cold front coming in, we said, hey, the cold air is lagging behind the cold front just a bit. And you can start to see just off to the northwest where the cold air is at this time. So it's 49 in Pittsburgh now, 45 in Butler, but the Newcastle area coming in at 42 degrees. Beaver Falls also at 45, and most of the afternoon will be into the mid to even low 40s out there. So we are going to be looking at cooler weather. 51 was our official high today. We hit that at midnight, I should say. Here's your forecast. Should be down into the mid 40s by 2 o'clock. 4 o'clock temperature coming in at 43. I was a little surprised. Our temperature actually went up 2 degrees last hour from 47. So we might be just a little bit warmer than these temperatures over the next few hours that I was forecasting. But we are going to be in line with those, what we expect to see. By 8 o'clock should be into the 30s. And then overnight, temperatures dropping down into the 20s. We expect an overnight low around 20 degrees in Pittsburgh. Other communities, especially along I-70, should say I-80, should be looking at temperatures dropping down into the teens as you're waking up. Last little bit of drizzle, rain moving out. This is as that front right there continues to push off to the east, and that cold air will start to move in just a little bit behind the front is what it looks like right now. We got a lot of snow out there to talk about just off to the west at this point. And if you're wondering where that's going to go, well, the good news for us, it kind of breaks off along the jet stream, moving down to the south. If you remember on Wednesday, it did look like this little area here, what we call a clipper low, was going to be a little bit further off to the north and impact places along and south of I-70. We took that out of the forecast yesterday, and it remains well to the south is what it looks like at this point, so we're not expecting anything from that. Saturday will be dry because that system way down to the south. As we're heading into Sunday, though, we start to see some changes. 2 areas of low pressure, one coming in out of the plains, the other one a Gulf area of low pressure, Gulf moisture, should mix together, causing a nor'easter just off to our northeast. For us, it means that we'll have the moisture coming in and cold air, both at the same time, and we'll likely see some snow developing from that. But notice the temperature. I pulled those in for you. 35 as of about 5 o'clock on Sunday. So temperatures at that point are at least warm enough that we're not going to see much of any accumulation, and they're going to stay there at around 34, 33, 32 as that snow comes in. That's going to really eat at our accumulating totals that we're going to see. How much falls? We're going to see a lot of snow possibly falling, but it doesn't look like we're going to see a lot of that sticking around. And this is actually technically a warm front, so we're warming up as this moisture is moving out. 36 as we're starting the day on Monday, and we should be looking at a lot of what falls likely evaporating is what it looks like at this point. Just want to quickly show you that we are also dealing with El Nino pattern over the next months or so. That was officially announced yesterday, and that likely means that the rest of our winter is likely not going to be very cold, and we likely won't see very much moisture as well. That's going to extend into March and April. We'll watch closely for that. There's your 7-day 51 today, your high. We saw that already. Most of the rest of the weekend should say a lot cooler with those temperatures in the 30s.
Yeah, but not a bad weekend though.
Not a bad weekend. Saturday should be dry all day.
Yeah, good deal. Thanks.